This is a 3D printed AirPods holder, and you are about to see a story of why it was made. Have you seen my AirPods? No. But have you seen my AirPods? No. But how about my AirPods? Have you seen them? There is no other way. We need to ask our wife. Hi honey, I miss you so much.
What do you need?
By any chance, do you know
Know what?
where are the
The keys?
AirPods?
It's on your shelf next to your Star Wars crap.
Are you sure? Because I can't really see them. Oh, got them. You know, these things happen to everyone, right? What can I do to find my AirPods easily without calling my wife? I'm gonna make a special 3D printed holder for them and put it on my Ultimate organization board. So next time when I need them, I know where they are. Paper is my best friend. That's where all the ideating starts, as well as all the sketches of possible designs. Then I moved to Fusion 360 to model the actual holder with real measurements. The very first prototype was printed upwards like this. And as you can see, the upper arc got messed up because it didn't have enough support, especially at that outer edge. And the holes for screws were also a bit small. The final holder was printed in a different direction and also had a thin layer in the hole to support that arc from collapsing. And of course, that thin layer then got cut out.
Worries come dressed as night to plunder dreams and whispered eyes. Scattered light reflects your mind, blinkers facts from fictions. It's dark outside, it's cold in here. There's nothing left but all your fears. You're falling like the moon falls in the sky.
And this is a way of organized AirPods. Have you seen my phone?